Hey, I'm Sam from Triumph London, and we're going to talk about your basic clutch adjustment on your bike. So the quickest and easiest way to check your clutch adjustment is at the top of the lever. So in here you have your free play. So on this particular bike, Triumph say there should be 2 to 3 millimeters of free play in there. So if you just move the lever backwards and forwards, you should feel the free play there. The first adjuster you have is at the top here, which can be used by unscrewing it. And then if you need to tighten the clutch up, so have less play, you screw it outwards until there's less play, or screw it inwards to loosen it off. And then once you've made your adjustment, you just turn the lock nut and just secure it in place. If you find there's not enough adjustment at the top, you can also adjust it here on the secondary ones by the clutch itself, which needs two 12mm spanners, and you just loosen it off and then move it in the direction you want. So if you want to tighten the clutch up, you move it towards the front, and if you want to loosen it off, you move it backwards. Again, once you've got the adjustment you need, just tighten them back up again and nip them up with the spanners. So that's your basic clutch adjustments. But if you've got any questions or any concerns, give us a shout at Triumph London and we'll look after you.